What's up, everyone? I am about to unbox my package from WWE Shop. Fanatics? I think that's how they have it now. I don't remember. I know what it is, and I came to show you guys. It is the Generation X. The Generation X, established 1997. It has Xbox China, may she rest in peace, Billy Gunn, Shawn Michaels, Triple H, and Road Dogg. And it has DX 25 Greatest Hits. DX's form, August 11th, 1997, day after my birthday. That's cool. Let me do like two more. There's like 25, and I will put the 25 greatest ones in the description. Let me do DX State of the Union address, February 2nd, 1998. And New Age Outlaws and X-PAC joined DX March 30th, 1998. Okay, okay, Diaz gets their own event, WWE in Your House, Generation X, December 7th, 1997. That's it. I'll put the last of it in the description.